Hi, today we are going to see how to edit photos for Instagram. First of all, go to Instagram, then you have to go to add post or add story. Here I am taking a picture for demo. From the filter option, you can add filter to your photo, and the edit option, you can adjust your photo by this. After that, you can adjust the brightness of your photo. Then you can select the contrast of your photo and the structure of that photo. Also, you can select the warmth from here, the saturation, the color that you want to give. Also, you can give the highlight color. If you want to fade the photo, then you can select this. In the highlight option, you can see the highlighting the photo. Also, you can create shadows from here, and in the vintage option, you can add vintage to the photos. Also, in the tilt or shift option, you can radial or linear shift your photo. After that, you can sharpen your photo from here. When you are all done, click on the right arrow in the upper side. Then your photo has been edited. Then you can write a caption, tag people and add location to your post. Then you can post it. Here is your photo that has been edited. So that's how to edit photos for Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.